Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to explore the incredible abilities of animals to navigate their surroundings without the use of maps or GPS. Have you ever wondered how animals find their way over long distances or migrate to specific locations? Let's dive in and uncover their fascinating navigation strategies. Animals have developed remarkable navigation skills that allow them to navigate vast distances and find their way with precision. While they may not use technology like humans do, they rely on a combination of innate abilities, environmental cues, and senses that are finely tuned. One of the most common methods animals use is called piloting. This involves using visual landmarks to navigate their surroundings. For example, birds often use prominent landmarks such as mountains, rivers, or coastlines to guide their migration routes. Another method is compass orientation. Many animals have an innate sense of direction that allows them to navigate using the Earth's magnetic field. Some migratory birds, sea turtles, and even certain insects are believed to have a built-in magnetic compass that helps them stay on track. Sun compass orientation is another fascinating strategy used by animals. By observing the position of the sun in the sky, animals can determine their direction of travel. For example, some insects, such as bees, use the sun as a reference point to navigate between flowers and their hive. Additionally, animals can utilize other environmental cues, such as scent, sound, and celestial cues like the stars or moon, to aid in their navigation. These cues provide valuable information about their location and direction, helping them stay on course. Animals possess remarkable navigation abilities that allow them to traverse long distances and find their way without the use of maps or GPS. Through a combination of visual landmarks, magnetic fields, celestial cues, and environmental cues, they can navigate with astonishing precision. Nature's navigators are a testament to the incredible adaptability and intelligence of the animal kingdom. Their abilities continue to captivate scientists and inspire us to better understand the wonders of the natural world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this topic.